This was a top post vehicle, and I put those little adapters, and I'll show you once I take it out, because I gotta change it now, because this thing only has 540 cranking amps, and it's becoming winter, and this battery is only for a 4-cylinder, and this is a V6. But here, where the plus is and the minus, you got to make sure you got enough room to do this. You can't have this very close to steel. And if you do, there's another type of adapter that you should use other than this here. It's similar to this, except it's got a screw in it. I'll leave a picture on the screen. I'll undo the what holds the battery down. That just clamps on the side of the battery. Now I can do the negative post. And that's what those are. Now if you're going from a side mount car to a top mount battery, you can get the ones like this, except it's got a screw in there, but you will have to cut your wire, and you have to make sure that the wire is long enough. But they also sell an adapter, which the wire is about this long, but it's a little bit more expensive. I think it's about $16 for both wires. I'll leave a picture of that too. Before I install the new battery, I'm going to clean out the tray. The red caps on there, so you know this is plus. It's got the plus and negative. Two little travel caps. Now you can see how much room I had here to swing it down for the side mount battery. And while I'm at it, I'll see if these are tight before I put it on. And you notice the clamp is further extended out because the plus is, the post is a lot bigger than the negative. So I'll tighten that up. Okay, for your information, this one here is 1050 cranking amps, and it's got 850 cold cranking amps, so it'll crank this motor over at 30 below, no bother. And the battery did come charged, so that's a bonus as well. And it's nicely secured in there.